Hello, for our presentation we did NSA Spying. When did it start? It was first revealed in 2005 that the NSA, the National Security Agency, had been intercepting American phone calls and internet communications. Along with this, members of Congress acknowledged that in 2006 the NSA had received wholesale records of telephone and communication records. And an ex-AT&T employee stated that the NSA installed a splitter at one of their facilities so that they can track emails and web browsing history. Reports from The Guardian and The Washington Post in 2013 found that the government admitted to the collecting of information under the guise of the Patriot Act. How does NSA spy on us? Reports from the Electronic Frontier Foundation, also known as the EFF, revealed how the NSA spied on Americans. Phone calls. Under the Patriot Act, the NSA is allowed to record and track phone calls in the United States, both domestic and international. Online services. Services such as Facebook and Google have both admitted to passing along personal information to the NSA. How does the NSA spy on us? Continued. The Internet, personal devices, and personal tracking. The Internet. With the installation of fiber optic lines and splitters at Internet service provider stations, the NSA can store and track personal browsing history. Personal devices. The Tailored Access Operations Department at the NSA has allowed them to break into our consumer devices and IT systems. Personal tracking. Cell phone towers allow the NSA to calculate your exact location. What is being done to stop the spying? The EFF has filed numerous lawsuits against the NSA to prevent the warrantless wiretapping of American citizens. Jewell versus NSA. In this case, the EFF sought to hold the NSA and government officials responsible for spying upon Americans. Hefting versus AT&T. EFF filed a case against the telecom company for violating customer privacy. Smith versus Obama. In this case, Anna Smith and her legal team are fighting the NSA, stating that they violated her Fourth Amendment rights by illegally collecting her personal information. How does this affect business? NSA spying programs have directly affected American internet industry. Their programs have led to the wiretapping of the ISPs such as AT&T and Verizon. This has led customers to distrust service providers with their personal information also. Businesses have had to increase their cybersecurity costs to ensure the protection of customer information. The spying programs have also affected businesses' international affairs. Some companies have lost major contracts due to the lack of trust in their security. And here are sources. Thank you.